Hello everyone, welcome to my video on how to make money from affiliate marketing. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some tips and tricks that can help you generate income by promoting products and services that you love. What is affiliate marketing? First, let's define what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where a business rewards its affiliates for each customer or sale that is brought in through the affiliate's marketing efforts. As an affiliate, you promote the products or services of a company and receive a commission for every sale that you generate. How to make money from affiliate marketing. Now, let's get into the steps on how to make money from affiliate marketing. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step in making money from affiliate marketing is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific area of interest or expertise that you have. This could be anything from fashion to health and wellness, technology, or even home decor. By choosing a niche, you can focus on promoting products that are relevant to your audience and increase the chances of making sales. Step 2. Join affiliate programs. Once you have chosen your niche, the next step is to join affiliate programs. There are many affiliate programs available, including Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and ShareASale. Choose the affiliate program that best suits your niche and sign up. Step 3. Promote products. Now that you have joined an affiliate program, it's time to start promoting products. This can be done through various channels such as social media, email marketing, and blog posts. Make sure to only promote products that you believe in and that align with your audience's interests. Step 4. Track your results. It's important to track your results to see what is working and what is not. This can be done through analytics tools provided by the affiliate program or by using Google Analytics. By tracking your results, you can optimize your marketing efforts and increase your chances of making sales. Step 5. Scale your efforts. Finally, once you have established your affiliate marketing strategy and are seeing results, it's time to scale your efforts. This can be done by expanding your marketing channels, reaching out to new audiences, and promoting more products. Conclusion. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. By following these steps, you can start promoting products that you love and earn commissions for each sale that you generate. Remember to choose a niche, join affiliate programs, promote products, track your results, and scale your efforts. With hard work and dedication, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business. Thanks for watching.